Two disruptors shaking up the insurance world, but when it comes to your home, which one really has your back? On the left, Lemonade, the tech-savvy, fast-claim favorite. And on the right, Hippo, the modern insurer promising smarter, connected coverage. Let's cut past the marketing speak and focus on what actually matters. We'll break it down category by category with points on the line so you'll know exactly who wins each round. The final verdict could surprise you. First up, here's a quick mind map of what we're comparing today: price, speed and claims, coverage options, customer experience, overall availability, and tech and innovation. That should cover what matters, right? Alright, kicking off with price. So Lemonade is kind of famous for their low starting premiums, and yeah, that flat fee system is honestly refreshing. It's super transparent, you know what you're paying. Downside: discounts aren't really their thing, plus rates do change depending on where you live. Now Hippo, they come in with these bundle savings and let you tweak coverage until you're happy, which is pretty nice. But honestly, their premiums usually run higher and you might find out they're not even available in your state. So which takes it? Lemonade wins this round overall. Now let's talk speed and claims, everyone's least favorite thing until disaster hits. Lemonade's thing is their AI. You can file a claim at 2 a.m. in your pajamas and no joke, they pay out super fast most of the time. Of course, those really complicated, weird claims do still get bounced to a real person. Then, Hippo has an actual team for help, and their digital claim filing is simple enough, but you'll be waiting longer for your payout. So Lemonade takes it here. That speed is no joke. Coverage options, here where it gets spicy. Lemonade, great if you're renting or just need straightforward homeowners coverage. They even offer optional coverage for your precious valuables, love that. But let's be real, the more specialty stuff, not so much. Hippo is like, we got it all. They'll cover your home, smart devices, offer discounts for sensors, and even let you add on flood, leak, or cyber protection. The catch? You need to actually install those home devices for some perks. Still, Hippo is the clear winner here. Oh, and here's something cool I didn't know until now. Did you know Lemonade was the first insurer to run entirely on AI, and they can issue policies in like 90 seconds? That's wild. Moving on to customer experience. Lemonade totally nails their app, it's top-rated, and their chatbot is honestly pretty helpful, but if your claim gets tricky, expect mixed reviews. Hippo does the whole live agent thing, even alerts you if something's wrong at your place, which is a nice touch. Boot, sometimes there's a wait if everyone's calling. Winner, this one's a tie, both have their quirks but neither is a clear champ. Okay, so how about actually getting insured? Lemonade is just everywhere, offered in over 37 states, and they're down for renters and condos all over. The catch? No auto insurance, so don't get your hopes up there, Hippo. Fewer states, think just over 20, and they mostly cater to homeowners. So if you're in a condo or renting, good luck finding them. Yeah, Lemonade wins on availability, hands down. Now for the fun stuff, tech and innovation. Lemonade, honestly, is basically run by robots. Pure AI handling, they even use blockchain for that extra no funny business factor. Of course, an algorithm can only do so much, so some rare cases might not get the human touch you want. Hippo leans into smart home tech, free leak sensors, home gadgets that keep an eye on things. Bit of a privacy trade-off, but some people love it. This one, it's actually a tie, both are pushing boundaries, they just do it differently. If we look at the big picture, like score by score, you'll notice Lemonade edges ahead on price, speed, and being everywhere, while Hippo really delivers on coverage. But overall, some categories are neck and neck. So honestly, if you're all about tech and want to manage everything from your phone, and you might be renting or just want simple coverage, Lemonade is probably your go-to. But if you're a homeowner looking for robust, modern protection with all those smart features, Hippo definitely has some clever tricks up its sleeve. Alright, that's what I've got. If you found this insurance guide even a little bit useful, don't forget to follow for more expert comparisons. See you in the next one.